While we're at it, I think it'd be a good idea to replace the O-ring on this the return line. Not exactly sure where the leak is, but it is low on power steering. Well, it's right at the minimum on power steering fluid. What do you think? Let's change the O-ring. If I clean this up, then I can tell where it's leaking from later. Again, guys, they don't need to be that tight. It's not the tightness that holds it, the leaky stuff. The O-ring holds the leaky stuff in. All right, let's pull this out and make a mess. All right, now I need to match this O-ring. I see a little divot in the O-ring there. That's probably what was leaking. You don't want to have a divot like that in the O-ring. That's so weird. Let's get some lubrication on this O-ring here. We'll pop it on the end of the return line there. Pop that in there. Perfect. Nice fit. This goes on there. This goes on here. Just enough so it won't come off. Now to clean up all the extra power steering fluid there so that we know what's leaking and what's not. I bet this happened because the O-ring was put in dry. This little divot in the O-ring looks like it just got caught. They shoved it in, bolted it down, called it good.